these fears have long been held about the state of the rule of law in Poland by European members of parliament. This concerns the country's president, the leader of the ruling Law and Justice Party, Jarosław Kaczyński. He and his party have been accused of overhauling and weakening the legal system within Poland to give the government and the party more control over the courts. This included a controversial muzzle law, so it was called, which meant that judges within Poland could be sanctioned if they did not agree to legal reforms. This was first proposed back in December, and it led to widespread protests within Warsaw, with many judges across Europe taking part. Now, these latest accusations have come at a time when the European Parliament and their Civil Liberties Committee was debating the issue of the rule of law in Poland. You have one of the Spanish MEPs, Juan López Aguilar, calling directly on Poland to defend its democracy, also accusing them of bringing the entire judiciary under their control or deliberately trying to do so. Now, at the same time, you have concerns that Poland was trying to undermine democracy by holding presidential elections during the coronavirus pandemic. These elections were then suspended with just 4 days to go, but the opposition parties within Poland had accused them of trying to prevent people from participating properly. Now, these calls from the European Union to take action against the rule of law in Poland, these were echoed by the president of the European Judges Association, but the warning is also there to the EU that they are perhaps running out of time. So what can the European Union do? Well, if they do find that the rule of law has been breached in Poland, the EU can take action in the form of budgetary measures or indeed suspending Poland's voting rights within the European Council. But some of the words that we're hearing from the MEPs there are remarkable. People saying that Poland has become a travesty of a democracy and that the very actions of the Law and Justice Party there, that shows that they do not want to be a member of the European Union any longer. It is, of course, worth saying that these views are not held by everybody, and some MEPs have said that the laws that people are talking about, the investigation into the rule of law, well, they say that it contains errors and manipulation. But Rosie, at a time when the European Union will be looking for unity during the coronavirus pandemic, some people are saying that Poland, with its rule of law, is violating the very nature of the EU.